And now we're off in the first division of the open division of the 1500 metres. And representing Aquinas in this race is Jonas Aranda and Ben O'Connor. Two fine runners indeed. And as expected, Jonas Aranda is out in front. Scotch is second, and other Scotch runners up there. Ben O'Connor's there, so it's Aquinas and Scotch. Jonas goes through in 47 seconds. The record for this is 4 minutes 5.3, held by Spears of Trinity in 1983. 5 years later, Michael Dempsey in 1988 for Aquinas did 4:5.5. Aranda of Aquinas out in front. Scotch is second. Scotch is leading in B division. Ben O'Connor running second in B division. Into the straight for the second time. And there's Jonas Aranda looking very comfortable. You think it's the calm before the storm. It's 1 minute 55. And down the back straight, Jonas has just gone away a fraction. Scotch is still sticking to him. Ben O'Connor's there. As they, in the next hurdles race, the Aquinas runner has fallen over, and Scotch is out in front. Oh no, it's Wesley. Wesley coming through to win. It's Wesley first, Scotch second, and close for third between Guildford and Trinity. It's a pity for Aquinas there. But here goes Jonas Aranda. Let's see what his time's going to be as he has one lap to go. 2:58. He's off. If he can get around in about a minute, I think he will break the record. Scotch second. Scotch leading in B division. Ben O'Connor still with a chance. He's in second place. Aranda reaches the 200 metre mark. He's on 3:30 pace. If he can get around in under half a minute, he'll break 4 minutes. But he's still got 5 seconds up his sleeve to break the record. And here he comes, the man who hasn't got a heart, he's got an engine. Running with the speed of a South African pied antelope. He's coming away. Can he do it? He's on 3:52. You could be watching history. It's Jonas. Can he break 4 minutes? He has! He has broken 4 minutes. He's done around 3:58. There has never been a better runner. He's the best. He has broken a record that has stood for 30 years. And he is up there with Herb Elliott, Laurie Elliott, Michael Dempsey, Spears, and many other great runners that I won't continue to mention. The time is unofficial. I have it down to 3:58.13, but I'm pretty sure he has gone under 4 minutes. He certainly has broken the record. Now we have some results.